Hi. The power of nature is incredible. It is impossible to predict the winner completely, but you can't stop admiring its beauty. Today you will see the most fun and crazy video about how people face the wild energy of nature. Let's go. The guy's a real hero. After all, our species is thousands of years old and the Jeep has just begun its path of evolution on this harsh planet. The next time you choose a route for a walk, you should trust the dog.
We finna go to CP! Let's go!
A brave attempt, soldier.
Chứ nó mỏi này chứ nó không phải nó bé. Có phải là chọt trên.
In some natural zones, the tide can be rapid and sudden. I think now the owner will not have to turn on the air conditioner in it until next summer. Has the snow gone so suddenly? However, a sudden snowfall here is better than a rain.
Ježiši Kriste.
Ahoj.
Buenas tardes. Disculpe, ¿es usted la señorita Paola? ¡Señorita Paola! ¡Señorita Paola, tranquila! ¡Señorita Paola, el patrón le manda flores, señorita Paola!
Sometimes nature takes care of our health, even taking a blow on itself. A tarpaulin against a powerful tropical downpour is a bad decision. But letting the water out is the right step, otherwise the whole structure would collapse. Like if you didn't notice the setup either.
Shh. Hello. It's okay.
Die of your curiosity, boy. The power of electricity in nature is amazing. Take a look at this set of lightning which emerged from nothingness.
Come let me feed you.
Oh, listen. Stop it. I got that.
Lord have mercy, it is a crackling down on us out here in PCB, Florida. Just give it a second.
Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up, get green cunt. 20.
Сила электричества в природе изумляет. Взгляни на этот разряд молнии, который возник просто из пустоты.
Two ways to lose gravity. The ocean reminded me that it is not just a nice background for a photo. In this battle, the guy has no right to make a mistake.
Ashton is looking at you. Ashton! Ashton! Let's go! Ready!
Ortadan! Sıçtı. Ben de oraya yapmamak için yaptım. Çok komikti.
He's away. Why did he even try that? Oh no!
No, the bus driver probably told the bus time it's like everyone get in the back and start moving back.
A school bus against a snowdrift. Who do you think the kids in the cabin are rooting for? This plot is many centuries old. The engineering masterpiece suffers from the blows of nature. If you have a hobby, then it is something that will not be able to tear you off even then. Environmental research is the key to survival. And it will also protect you from shame. This guy took off his safety jacket in front of our eyes.
Taking a video.
Respect to this captain. He didn't give up until the end. These two are too confident. These are shots from Seattle, and there is a feeling that you can't survive there without climbing.
Oh my lord. We can barely get up this hill. Bruh!
Bro, I hate this car.
Dude! What the f? Oh, sh**. Oh, sh**. Oh.
Has to be a way to get my car up.
This black beach in Iceland is beautiful, but it's better not to joke with ice waves. There is one important rule on this famous Icelandic beach. Never turn your back to the waves. Changes in the weather sometimes work wonders. You get on a bus and end up on a cruise. Nature is capricious and quickly changes the environment around. A person can only adapt. However, only very experienced professionals can repeat this guy's swimming.
Финский снайпер с вами, йоу, друзья. Тут где-то мой клад находится. Будем искать.
Oh no, Ромашка, no!
Jag vet. all right.
This is what a strong wind looks like in Utah. If the guy held his poster tighter, he would not have visited hell.
Get the fuck out. Oh, bro.
A strong wind can make a sailboat out of anything, especially if you don't close the door in the car. No matter how powerful your car is, the laws of nature are still stronger. It turned out that a tidal wave can catch you not only on the seashore. This flow is so strong that only cars are able to cope with it. Bicycles have no chance.
That's a bike.
No, help me!
No.
Help me, bro!
It's good that these guys were nearby and pulled out a cyclist who lost his iron horse. Briefly about why you need to check the weather forecast before a trip. This weather makes people do curling on cars. It's a very difficult sport. For a beautiful photo, you have to pay with a cold shower. Do you know what is the best restaurant in the city? The one where you can hide from a tornado?
Here they come.
Oh my god!
A new track, excursion and water park at the same time.
That's brilliant. Oh my god. Run!
Still, the wind took pity on these poor guys. Her plan to escape from the water was the worst of all possible.
Man, I still can't
Дождь — это не страшно.
It's starting to flood.
Next time she should take a bigger umbrella. For this guy, this is clearly not the first season of rains. Two more palm trees are waiting for their cars.
No, please. Please, no. Please, no. Please, no.
Ôi con. Ôi tái.
Oh? Oh. Trời ơi. Oh.
This is what checking the strength means. This is the exact punishment for audacity. Did the bees like your scooter? So it was your scooter. Well, transparency is another property of water. Even from watching the video, goosebumps run. Imagine how it feels to hear a tornado next to you. One of the branches that the hurricane carried knocked out the glass in this guy's car. Don't even try. Ice will always outwit you. This video teaches that the rules are the same for everyone. Most likely, this ram just decided to play along with his man. But this grandmother manages to control everything.
Ist verschollen. Nothing cheers up like a sudden storm.
Капот, они все подвисли.